وقل جاء الحق وزهق الباطل إن الباطل كان زهوقا.
और कह
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear brothers and sisters, Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, it's a good news that Maulvi Imtiaz, Alhamdulillah, now he is now realizing that his lies have been exposed, and because I have proved to the public that he is lying one reference after the other, he uploaded a video. But it's such a shame that even in this video he has lied again. Let's listen what he said in his video first, and then I will tell you, brothers and sisters, what the real facts are and how this person, he has no shame. He keeps on lying.
Now, I sincerely try to engage with Dr. Yahya offline to have an official debate so I can expose his lies.
Now, he is claiming that he sincerely tried to engage with me offline. That's another lie. Biggest lie of this century, you can call it. Now, I will show you, brothers and sisters, what the real, what actually happened offline. Now, first thing, very important thing, brother, to note is that when I give a challenge to Muhammad Imtiaz, after the program, he came on Twitter and he wrote this message. And he said, open invitation to Dr. Yahya to debate 3 references I presented. And look at his suggestion. It was, Imtiaz, your suggestion. He says, whoever will lose the debate will delete his YouTube channel and all social media accounts. And Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, I accepted his challenge. And I said, let's agree on terms and conditions and let's have a debate. And then he ran away again. And then the next program, I caught him again, and then he said, no. Not just him, but obviously his moderator Imran, he tried to say that, no, we can't discuss it live. You have to do it, you discuss it with Brother Imtiaz offline. As agreed, during the program, I contacted Imtiaz offline straight away. So brothers, the very next day, I contacted him on Twitter and I asked him to send me his email address, which he did. And after, the sending the email address, he said, waiting. Anyway, and brother, he said, send me your proposal and the 3 references you want to discuss. Inshallah, once you send me a proposal, we can fine tune with some back and forth waiting. Deleted. But anyway, I said to him, 3 references are, so and so from, and I sent him 3 references. Then I said, as I said before, you were once again dishonest because you tried to hide very important facts about these references. Plus, you have added lies about these references. And then I said, I proposed a debate because he was asking for proposal for around 3 hours. Once terms and conditions are agreed, preferably during weekend. If I prove that you have hidden important facts and you have lied about these references, you will delete your YouTube channel and all social media accounts. If I couldn't prove that you have hidden facts and lies about these references, then I will delete my YouTube account and all social media accounts. Agree? And I said waiting. Now, brother, he was saying that I was very, as if I was not being fair. I was, it was my fault, as if it was my fault. What's wrong with this proposal? Anyway, with regard to 3 references, he said agreed. Good. Then he said, with regard to my proposal, he said just propose the mechanism of how it will be decided and who will decide which one of us has successfully proven his point. Even though it was his proposal that whoever channel will be, whoever will lose, his channel will be deleted. But did you notice? He's asking me now to propose a mechanism. Why did you give a challenge then, Brother Imtiaz? If you didn't have any mechanism in your mind, why did you challenge me? Why did you even suggested that? But anyway, then he said, please just stay on the point. We are engaged here only to finalize our terms and conditions for the debate. Fine, no problem. Just to let you know, all this conversation is going to be posted on public platform. Why didn't you post on public platform, Imtiaz? Because I know, and public will find out now, you didn't propose because even here, you just simply ran away. You thought that I will not be able to send you a proposal, I will not be able to send you a mechanism, and that will give you an excuse to run away. But Alhamdulillah, not just one. I gave him 2 proposal, brothers. Anyway, he said all this conversation is going to be posted on public platform. So please, so people can see who said what. Good, very good. Then that's why I'm uploading this this conversation now. I hope you will not cry. From this point onwards, please, not a single unrelated word I want to see. Okay, fine. Then I said to him, let's agree on the debate date, time and other terms and conditions. With regards to lying part, inshallah, it will be apparent, but we can discuss it once date and time, etc. is fixed. Okay. What is your proposal about this debate? Because I thought he's keep on asking me, what is your proposal? No, it's not just one-sided game, is it? Please let me know. I don't want it to be just one-sided proposal. Was I unfair there? No. But as you see, these mullahs, they always lie. Even about this simple thing, simple conversation, and it makes you wonder. He knows that all this conversation has been recorded, and I can bring it to the public domain, and that's what I'm doing now. But still, they have guts to lie. They have no shame.
Now, I sincerely try to engage with Dr. Yahya offline to have an official debate so I can expose his lies.
So I said to him, so far, we have agreed that debate will happen on the above mentioned 3 references, and if it is proven that you lied to the public, then you will delete your channel and social media accounts. Please confirm. Anyway, so with regard to his message where he said that all this conversation is going to be posted on public platform, etc., etc., I said, sure, Alhamdulillah, I have nothing to fear. So we both agreed that this conversation can be uploaded to the public platform. Anyway, so then I said to him, Imtiaz, keep it in mind, this is not your stream and you are not hiding behind Adnan and Imran. So in future, please be respectful in your tone. And yes, let's stick to the debate, terms and conditions, etc. Then I said to keep things simple, let's agree on duration, which live stream. I proposed 2 moderators, 1 from each debater. Agree? And then I said, let's finalize our old term and condition as soon as possible. May Allah help us. Ameen. Then he said, in response to that, he said, with regard to mechanism, he said, this is the most important thing I want to decide. I know why you wanted to decide, because you thought that Dr. Yahya is not going to give me any mechanism and I will simply run away, but there is no mechanism. And even now this person is lying to the public that I couldn't propose a fair mechanism. Time or date are not issues at all. Anyway, so with regard to that, and then they said, I forgive you this time and the last time, not a single word other than terms and condition of debate. Okay. Anyway, so with regard to the proposal, I said, Imtiaz, please keep it in mind that factual lies are lies about facts. They are not explanation, etc. And you don't really need a judge to make a conclusion. Fact is that your lies about these 3 references include factual lies Therefore, inshallah, those lies will be established like 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Inshallah. Okay. Then he said in response to that, rather than if I'm proposing something and you don't like it, but what normally happens, a person who really want to get engaged, that person will propose something different. What he said, Imtiaz, this is my last message, subhanallah, without proposing a single thing. This is my last message, as I can't afford any more time to waste with you. Look, Mr. Yahya, here are two options. Option 1, I want to have a conclusive and decisive debate, and that's only possible if we have a fair mechanism to decide who won and who lost. So propose a fair mechanism, as if it is my responsibility to propose a mechanism. Subhanallah, why is just my responsibility? Two people want to have a debate. Two people, both of us wanted to see who lied and who didn't lie. And Imtiaz, it was you who proposed this, that whoever has lied, his channel will be deleted. So it should have been you who should have brought the mechanism, not me. And now this person, this Mullah Imtiaz, is asking me, brothers, to propose a mechanism, which is anyway.
Salam. Now, I sincerely try to engage with Dr. Yahya offline to have an official debate so I can expose his lies.
You can understand why he was doing it. Then he said option 2 is that rather than having a debate, you obviously discuss these things in your own channel. Okay, so I will quickly just I will just show you his proposal rather than reading all of it, because I didn't take this proposal anyway, this option 2, because I wanted to have one-to-one manly debate. I didn't want to, obviously I'm still here and I'm not going to let you run away, Imtiaz. I'm still asking you to have a debate. Anyway, so I said to him, Alhamdulillah, whether he said option 1 or option 2. Option 1 was to have a debate, conclusive and decisive debate. And I said, Alhamdulillah, I will take option 1. As I said before, enough, even though there is no need for any judge, etc. But if you insist, then both moderators can act as judges, but they will be given specific closed questions, because they will judge mainly about your factual lies, while public will judge you about both factual and other lies, inshallah. Then I said, for example, in Ruhani Khazan 2 references, both judges will be asked, is Mirza Ghulam Ahmad al-Islam answering the allegation of Shakkul Qamar, or he is comparing Isa al-Islam's miraculous birth with male goat, as Imtiaz and his team claimed? And as you guys know, you brothers know, that's what they claimed in their last, the November's last stream. Or the question can be, in this reference, is Mirza Ghulam Ahmad al-Islam defending miraculous birth of Hazrat Isa al-Islam to a Hindu, or he is denying his miraculous birth? Because that's what their claim is. That's their lies. Inshallah, their answers will make it 100% apparent that you have factually lied about these 3 references too. I hope you will, inshallah, now have the courage to have a debate. And as it seems to me, I hope I'm wrong in my assessment that you are once again trying to run away from the debate. May Allah guide you to the right path, and may you fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ameen. And then I said, inshallah, it will be very easy for judges to reach the right conclusion, because I will be playing your audios and videos where you made those claims in his stream, obviously, which were factual lies, and then read the actual reference from the books of Prophet Islam. Inshallah, by this mechanism, judges and public will find the truth. Cannot wait, Alhamdulillah. And guess what? Now, he is saying that it was not a fair mechanism. Is it not fair mechanism, brothers? You decide. Brothers and sisters, is it not fair that we take, I suggested that we should take your audios, your videos, and ask those moderators to compare them with the actual book of Hazrat Mirza Sahib. 100% fair mechanism. Anyway, And then he said to this reply, this the mechanism proposal, he said, okay, Imtiaz, you have no shame. Look at your message, what you said. Rather than proposing something different, rather than saying this proposal is not right, is right or wrong, and why is wrong? You didn't question even my proposal. You said, okay, tell people Imtiaz has ran away. And I did tell people. Why are you crying now? This conversation is finished from side. Don't spend any time any further to write a message, as you won't hear anything back from me. Subhanallah. If this is not running away, what else do you call running away? Our conversation is finished. And he ran away.
Salam. Now, I sincerely try to engage with Dr. Yahya offline to have an official debate so I can expose his lies. Now, I sincerely try to engage with Dr. Yahya offline to have an official debate so I can expose his lies.
And brother, I propose another mechanism. So not just one, I propose another mechanism. Look, and I say, wait, Imtiaz, I got another mechanism for option 1. I hope you will agree. And then I suggested this whole mechanism. Basically, I suggested that you can read it through. That the both moderators, they will take an oath, and then the question will be from your side and my side, and they will be answering. There will be closed questions about references and your claims and also my claims, and then both moderators will answer those questions, your questions and my question, and then they will come to the conclusion. And then I said, once if judges agree one was right and the other has lied, then the other will delete his accounts. Isn't it fair proposal, Imtiaz? Isn't it fair proposal, brothers and sisters? If they disagree with each other, then it will be considered a tie. In that case, neither of us will delete any account. Even if it's a tie, at least public will know who is a liar, because that's what my aim. That is alhamdulillah my aim. Anyway, brothers, you can read this, my second proposal, okay? And then I said to him, choose one and be a man, keep your words and challenge, don't act like a coward mouse. May Allah give you courage. And then, obviously, he said, what's the response? Through all of this mechanism, you expose me on your channel. Isn't that running away, Imtiaz?
Salam. Now, I sincerely try to engage with Dr. Yahya offline to have an official debate so I can expose his lies.
Then he said, and tell people that I lied about Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. And that's alhamdulillah what I did. And now you're crying, Imtiaz. Why are you crying then? You told me to do that. Anyway. So I said to him, so you covered, just run away. Alhamdulillah, ja'al haqqa wa zahaqul batil. Innal batila kana zahuka. Fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He is watching and he doesn't not need liar like you to defend the true religion, Islam. And then he said, look at this mullah. He just ran away and he came back and he said, make sure that you come prepared on the next stream. I have a gift for you. Subhanallah. And then people saw in that stream what was the gift. Well, I proved you liar again in that stream. Alhamdulillah. So then in reply to that, brother, I said, you have no shame, Imtiaz. You are typical Pakistani mentality liar mullah who has no shame. And it's true. That's what he is. You have just ran away from your own challenge, and rather feeling ashamed, you are now trying to change the subject. And that conversation is finished, brothers. See, brother, how big liars these mullahs are. And I have shown you what the real conversation was, and how after, even though it was not my responsibility to bring a mechanism, but I did brought not one, but two proposals. And what was the response? Imtiaz simply ran away. He said, tell people Imtiaz has run away, and that's what I have done, alhamdulillah. And at the end, Imtiaz, I am still here. I'm ready to debate you on those three references. Even during last streams, you and your biased moderator, Imran, he was saying, oh, let's talk not in this program, but off the stream. Let's talk off the stream then. Let's agree on a mechanism, and let's have a debate on these three references. I challenge you again, and I know 100% you have run away and you will keep running away. Nara Takbir, Allahu Akbar. Nara Takbir, Allahu Akbar.